Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to play an animation when you click a button in Unity. So I'm going to be doing 2D animations, so like sprite sheets and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other ideas for videos I can make. But without any further ado, let's get right into it. So I just have my simple scene here with a main camera and a game manager. To create one of these, just go right click, create empty, and call it game manager. You get the point anyway. So in our game manager, I'm going to do add component, call it play, click new script, create an add, and just load it up in Visual Studio by double clicking on it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is up above our start method, type square brackets serialize field, then public animator. So just be getting a reference to our animator. So yeah, and now in the update method, if brackets input dot get key down, brackets again, key code dot A. So when we press the A button, we need to do animator dot set bool, brackets, quotes, I'm just going to call this is playing. Remember this because you're going to need it later. I'm just going to set it to true. And now we just need to copy this. And I'm just going to change this to D and this to false. Okay, so now we have those two in. That's basically I think that is all the code. So now we go into Unity and we want to go Window, Animation, Animator, and we need to actually bring in our lightning, or the sprite sheet. I'm using lightning. It was what I used in making sprite sheets, a video that I did. You should probably watch that video before this one because it'll show you how to actually make these sprite sheets. So I'm just going to click on our lightning, go to point no filter, compression to none, and sprite mode to multiple. Click apply and go to sprite editor, slice, type grid by cell size, and mine is 32 by 32. Yours might be different, so just change it to that. And I'm going to click keep empty rec so that it gets this one too. And then click apply. So now I can close this down, and if I drag our lightning into the scene, I'm just going to call it lightning. Save. And I'm just going to make it a bit bigger because it's very small. Okay, so now we can go back into our animator. We want to click on lightning 0 and we should get this up. So now it should go entry. So when we start the game, go into lightning. We don't want that. So I'm going to go right click just anywhere around here, create state, empty, and right click on that and say set as layer default state. Basically when we start, we'll now go into this one. So then you want to right click on it again and go make transition, and just bring it over to the lightning and click. Right click on lightning and do the same thing. So now we want to go to parameters up here, click this plus button, bool is playing. So that's what we used back in the script. Now we want to click on this transition, click this plus button, and it should automatically put it to is playing as true. Go to this one, click this plus button, and this time set it to false. And now if we go onto our game manager, we need to drag in our lightning 0 and it'll automatically select the animator that's on it. And now when we play, nothing will happen, but if you press A, the animation starts. If we press D, the animation stops, press A again, animation starts. So that's going to be it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was useful. And again, if you have any ideas for videos, make sure to comment down below, and I'll try and do them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.